Hi, I'm Curtis Bodies and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to share 5 potential side hustles that can make up to $500 per month. So there is no guaranteed side hustle that can make so much money a month. So that will all depend on you as an individual, how dedicated you are to the specific side hustle and how much time you will spend into this. So no side hustle will guarantee consistently generate so much money a month. That will all depend on you as an individual. So if you're new to the channel, as always, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like to get this video out to more people. So with that said, let's get right into today's video. So the first one is leveraging a skill or a talent you have. So if you're talented in writing or web development, you can go on to platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or freelance and connect with potential clients. So if you're a web developer, as myself, you can use this talent or skill and connect with clients such as, for example, a client on Fiverr wants you to develop just a normal basic web page. Then you can use your skill and develop them a website. Or if you're a writer, you can potentially write out specific scripts for people on Fiverr for a YouTube video such as this one and use your writing skills. So leveraging your skill as an individual and turning that into a side hustle. Number 2 is ride sharing or food deliveries. So if you're a person that drives a lot, you can do food deliveries such as for Uber Eats, DoorDash, or any specific individual person. So if you're driving a lot from city to city, you can potentially advertise it on somewhere and deliver that package to a person, making a little bit more extra income. Next is online course creation. So we've all seen online courses all over the internet. So if you have a specific talent, like I said, the skill you have, you can create a online course where you share your skills with other individuals online. So a great start would be, for example, Udemy, Course Area, and Teachable. These are great websites where you can publish your courses. So examples of courses is writing, like I said, web development, programming online, all depends on woodwork if you're a great person that works with wood. Basically any skill, art, if you're a person that likes to draw a lot, that is great skills to create courses on, and you can share your skills with other people online. Another example of a side hustle is e-commerce. So e-commerce is probably a little bit more flooded as a side hustle. So let me just explain what e-commerce is. Basically, you create your online store on a specific website such as Shopify, where you create an online store. You add products to this Shopify and then promote it on Instagram, Twitter, or any social media outlet. So what happens is you don't have to physically have the store. You create basically a middleman between you and a supplier. So if someone buys a product on your store, you don't have to worry about shipping and anything regarding the whole process of that. You will just get a small cut of that product between the supplier and the customer. So you're basically creating an online store for customers to come to your place. So I think dropshipping is a more broad topic as a side hustle, but as an entry level, do more research on it, and it could be one of the side hustles that could bring you the most revenue. So the next tip, number 5, is this is my personal side hustle. So me and my friends in the neighborhood, basically we live in a very small neighborhood, and we went to people's houses where we asked them if we can do their shopping for them. So for people that's too busy to basically go buy eggs or milk in our neighborhood, so we basically on a daily basis go to the people. So for example, the person next to me, 2 houses from me, wants milk every second day and eggs every second day. So now we know a neighbor X wants milk every second or so, and then we basically deliver it to their house in our neighborhood. So that is our side hustle, basically, because I have a full-time job as a software developer. So the side hustle, basically after work, we split up the time between 2 people. So that was a side hustle we thought of. So side hustles is just limited to your idea as a person. So this is just general ideas of side hustles. More side hustles can be YouTube. So YouTube is basically also a side hustle if you wanted to go into that content creation. So that's also a possible side hustle. So those 5 I mentioned in today's video is not the meat or bees also. It's gonna take up to you as an individually to think of more. So I hope this video gave a guide into potential side hustles. And I also hope that you took something from this video. So I'm Curtis Boatis. Until next time, peace out.